Hello everyone, so I am Rolly R. Picaza. I will teach you how to put data analysis in your Excel because data analysis is very important. Even if you don't have SPSS or any tool, you can use Excel for running data, specifically the multiple regression or correlation or t-test, z-test. So here, let's try to check whether your Excel have already data analysis. So press the data, and in this upper part, um, there must have data analysis. So if none, so press the file, then go to more and option. So Excel option, press add-ins, and then in add-ins, go and select the available add-ins here and then press OK. So in the upper part of this data, so it already have data analysis and solver. So this is very important again in running our data. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe.